Looking for the best corded circular saw that delivers power, precision, and performance? You come to the right place. In this video, we're breaking down the top-rated corded circular saws that are crushing it on Amazon, Reddit, and job sites across the US. Whether you're after the best corded circular saw Makita has to offer, or you just need the best saw for woodworking or the money, we've got you covered. Stick around. Your next saw might just be on this list. Number 1. Makita 5007NK7 1/4 corded circular saw. The Makita 5007NK7 1/4 circular saw is a powerhouse designed for professionals and serious DIYers who demand precision, durability, and ease of use. Equipped with a robust 15-amp motor delivering a high speed of 5,800 RPM, this saw effortlessly powers through wood with clean, accurate cuts every time. Its brushless design ensures better efficiency and longer motor life, making it a reliable companion on any job site. One standout feature is the lower guard design, which enhances performance when making bevel and narrow cuts, allowing you to tackle a variety of cutting angles with confidence. The saw offers a wide bevel range from 0 degrees to 56 degrees, with positive stops at 22.5 degrees, 45 degrees, and 56 degrees, enabling quick, precise angle adjustments. With a generous cutting capacity of 1/2 at 90 degrees, 3/4 at 45 degrees, and 3/8 at 56 degrees, it easily handles thick materials and complex projects. Ergonomically crafted with a well-balanced design and rubber handle, the Makita 5007NK offers superior handling and comfort during extended use. It comes packaged with a 1/4 24T framing blade, offset wrench, and a durable case for easy transport and storage. Backed by a full 1-year warranty, this circular saw is built to deliver power and precision for years to come. Number 2. Bosch CSW41 corded circular saw. The Bosch 7¼ worm drive circular saw, CSW41, is engineered for professionals who demand precision, power, and comfort on every cut. Featuring a robust 15-amp motor and worm drive gearing, this saw delivers an impressive 5,300 no-load RPM, providing exceptional torque for tough cutting applications. Despite its powerful performance, the CSW41 weighs only 13.2 pounds thanks to its magnesium construction, reducing user fatigue and increasing productivity during extended use. Designed for accuracy, the worm drive design and left side blade position offer unmatched visibility of the cut line, allowing for precise, clean cuts every time. The saw also features an anti-snag lower guard, which ensures smooth operation when handling small cut-off pieces. The comfortable soft grip handle enhances control and reduces vibration, making it ideal for all-day use. Convenience is built into the tool with an onboard multi-function wrench for easy blade and brush changes, lever adjustments, and a blade diamond knockout. A built-in tool hook adds further practicality by enabling convenient storage between cuts. Certified frustration-free and equipped with a brushless motor, the Bosch CSW41 combines durability, power, and user-friendly features, making it a top choice for carpenters, contractors, and serious DIYers who need a reliable and high-performing corded circular saw. Number 3. DEWALT DWE 575 corded circular saw. The DEWALT 7¼ circular saw, DWE 575, is a powerhouse in a lightweight, compact design, making it the ideal choice for contractors, remodelers, and framers who demand both portability and performance. Weighing just 8.8 pounds, this saw delivers impressive power with its 15-amp motor capable of up to 5,200 RPM, enabling you to tackle tough cutting tasks with ease. This circular saw offers a versatile bevel capacity of up to 57 degrees, with convenient stops at 45 and 22.5 degrees, allowing precise angled cuts on various materials including wood, metal, and composites. Its 2 9/16 inch depth of cut further enhances its adaptability for different project needs. Built to last, the DWE-575 features a durable, high-grade aluminum base and shoe that ensures smooth, accurate cuts and long-lasting performance. The anti-snag ball bearing lower guard prevents snags and prolongs tool life, while the integrated dust blower keeps your cutting line clear for better visibility and precision. Ergonomically designed, this saw provides comfort during extended use with its well-balanced body and easy trigger actuation. The tough cord system adds extra durability with enhanced resistance to cord pullouts. Complete with an onboard blade wrench for quick adjustments, the DEWALT DWE-575 circular saw comes backed by a 90-day money-back guarantee, 1-year free service, and a 3-year limited warranty, making it a reliable, professional-grade tool for any job site. Number 4. Skil 5080 to 2001 corded circular saw. The Skil 5080 to 2001 13-amp 7, 1/4 circular saw is a powerful, reliable tool designed for both beginner and experienced DIY enthusiasts. Equipped with a robust 13-amp motor, it delivers strong performance that easily handles a variety of cutting tasks, from shelving and trim work to more precise angled cuts. Its lightweight design reduces user fatigue by 15% compared to previous models, making extended use more comfortable. This saw features an adjustable bevel up to 51 degrees with positive stops at 45 degrees, allowing for versatile cutting angles with confidence. The improved dust blower keeps the cutting line clear of sawdust, ensuring accuracy with every cut. Changing blades is quick and hassle-free thanks to the spindle lock and conveniently stored blade wrench. The Skil 5080 to 2001 comes with an 18-tooth carbide blade, perfect for clean and efficient cuts. Compact and user-friendly, this circular saw is a fantastic addition to any home workshop, providing reliable performance and precision at an affordable price. Number 5. Promaker Pro SC 1500 corded circular saw. The Promaker heavy-duty circular saw 7 1/4 is a powerful and reliable tool designed to handle demanding woodworking tasks with ease. Equipped with a robust 13-amp motor and delivering 5,500 RPM, this 1500W corded circular saw provides consistent power and precision for smooth, accurate cuts every time. Its built-in laser guide ensures optimal cutting accuracy, reducing errors and improving efficiency on the job. Featuring a bevel adjustment of 0 to 45 degrees, this saw allows you to make precise angled cuts without needing extra tools. The ergonomic handle offers comfort and control even during prolonged use, while the retractable blade guard enhances safety. The included wood cutting disc is perfect for a variety of wood applications, making this saw a versatile addition to any toolbox. Lightweight yet durable, the Promaker Pro SE 1500 is perfect for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts seeking a dependable circular saw for woodworking. Backed by a 2-year limited warranty and a 30-day return policy, it's a risk-free investment in your workshop's productivity. There you have it, the best corded circular saws that professionals and DIYers swear by. From high-end picks to unbeatable value options, we made sure to include something for everyone. Found your perfect match? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap the bell so you never miss future reviews. For more picks, including the best corded circular saw for woodworking or the top-rated circular saws on Reddit, check the links in the description. Thanks for watching and happy building!